Okay, guys, welcome back. Trade with Crazy version 10.4, revision of 4th of March market. All right, let's go into the revision of the market today. Let's go. Okay. All right, so we saw the crazy Dow coming off yesterday. So let's just review, let's just go through again how did we know they'll be selling. First of all, guys, the very important thing is that remember I told you when there were no pivot during this area of time, and I told you guys because there's no pivot, that means something big is going to happen soon. It's either going to be an upside or a big downside thing. So of course, some people say that Kel, this is like 废话, it's like non obviously one way or the other. No, because of that, right? I already know that the market will be going to big directive move. That's why we concentrate on how to trade and let the market run. So this then we saw one thing very important was that there's a color change CCYR on the day chart, and it comes together with the KSI rate. So that basically created the KCL line, which is the 43,240, which is here. So when last night when the market breaks below 43,240, that was where I went in to sell, and I told you guys it's a good sell, okay? And I said once very clearly that if the market do break 43,007, which is the MA 200, the market will definitely sell. Do you remember that? For those who remember that, can you key REM? All right. I said that very clearly. I said the moment the market breaks the 200 moving average, the market will definitely sell. And I say with very strong conviction on this because I've seen this multiple times already, right? Easily 100 times and above. Good job, guys. And David, Anthony, Ellis. All right. So that was one. Then I gave another specific number. I say if it comes down, it will go for the pivot to which the market really go. And I did also mention that if we continue and break pivot 2, we may even see 42,295, which the market missed by a small fraction and rebounded. I was almost there. Okay. And the market rebounded strongly and closed exactly near to the pivot 2. Oh my goodness. That's why I say pivot is really out of the world. Okay, now where were the signs other than the CCYR? Here, KSI, KCX, all these are the signs. So when the market have a KSI and KCX that is negative, the market cannot stay below OP. Once it stay below OP, the selling will come. So are you telling me that if let's say the KSI and the KCX are bearish, but the market stays above OP, can we sell? No, no, no. You don't do that. You still buy, but you just buy lesser. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Yeah, I'll come out a simple flow chart on how to trade with the crazy system. All right, I'll do it up itself and I'll paste it in the group chat later in the evening. Not now. Okay, so you can see what happened. The market basically was swinging at the OP, which is very, very normal, until we saw the four diamond that appears here itself. And then after that, if you put a line across it, this is where the whole thing starts to set up already. Okay. Then when the market came down and touches the MA here, which you can see the green dots are everywhere, that was a very strong sign. It's either this way or this way. Okay. When you see the market triggering the MA, there's only two things will happen. Either it stays as rebounding factor, it goes up. If not, it will become a sell factor. And in this case, it became a sell factor. And the craziness that once it sell down, right, you notice that it came down easily to pivot 2 and the KTR minus 3. They are both stacked together. So like a magnet, the market pulls it towards them. And you can see the market is hang there for about 15 minutes. Then after that, another wave of selling comes in, and that's why the orange arrow pop up, meaning that it's a classic sell at the moment, and the market really continue to fall. Okay. So at this junction here, where the button comes in, right, you can see the diamond here itself. I want you to notice here, yeah? There was a diamond here and a diamond here. So what's the difference? This diamond, the first one, right, you draw a line, the market stays below it. So it's not the bottom. That's why you need to draw that white line, and not because it's a diamond you need to buy. That is very dangerous. Okay, that's wrong. So when you see another diamond here, you draw the line, and then you can see the difference already, right? This guy immediately goes down, but this guy went up first. And when you pull back down, you notice it stays above the line, and this is a very strong buy signal. So for people who really believe in the diamond, and you can see that the KSI is turning green over here. The boys are coming in, and then followed by the retail later on. If you really need to buy over here, stop loss put here. So some of you say, wait, I'm confused. The market is below OP, you call for buy. Now remember, diamond can use for follow through selling and can also use for swing trading. So as long for swing trading, you know what you're seeing. I mean, in this case, it's above the line, and the KSI is green color, the K6 turns to blue to black. All these are telltale sign that you can go long. So take profit, go where? Simple. Everyone take a note over here itself. If everybody have been shorting the market around this area, because why did I say that? Because the market have been grinding there, so people will surely sell and want to get out of the market. Give a guess, where would they put their stop loss? Would they put a stop loss at A, stop loss at B, or put a stop loss at C? Tell me now your answer. Where would they put their stop loss? A, B, or C? If everybody start to short somewhere around this area, where would they put their stop loss? Now we talk about really conventional traders, yeah? Normal trader like you and me, where would you put a stop loss? Please key your answer right now. Let's have some participation on this. June, you can actually send directly to the in the meeting directly, yeah? No need to send to me. Okay, so we have Inman say C, Andrew say B, Juwin say A, Anthony B, Disha C, Janet B, Yo B, Juwin A, yeah? Okay. Now, I don't think anybody will put an A. I don't think so. It's too near. I'll be honest, it's too near. Oh, yeah? So most likely people will put B. Yes. Okay. And you can see that because of that, you notice that now if I draw the diamond, okay, and I buy here, my stop loss I put here, my first target B is here, right? So that means the reward, the risk is here, my reward is here. Wow, you can see it's 1:3. 1:3 ratio. So it's a very good trade. So if I take $100 risk, I can make potential $300. You can see that? And of course, why the market turns here? Because you look carefully, oh my goodness, that's how the market works. The market boys came in strongly. They pumped the market all the way up to trigger all the stop loss of traders. And then after that, they flush it down like crazy. Yes, indeed, I was there. I was watching this through the night itself. Oh my goodness. I saw it going up all the way, and then I saw them triggering this, and then they fall. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is what happened last night, okay? And you can see that the market took about nearly 3 hours to go up to here. Within half an hour, the market gave back everything. This was crazy, right? All right, this is something called pump and dump exercise. Okay, all right. So next market look at is gold to show you to you gold. Now gold yesterday we know that the market was down, right? And KSI was red. So the thing is this, remember, as long as market stays above OP, it's always a buy. And in this case, it happened to coincide with the MA30. So two of them give the buy signal. So 2892 and 2891, so near, right? So when the market stayed above OP, it was a buy. And the first target I mentioned was pivot 12905. Okay. Then after that, with the KCB that is here somewhere around 2916 level, right? And that was where the market actually went. So you can see over here at the start of the day, the market was swinging, but it's already MA triggered, right? So once either this or this, so initially it went down. Then I thought that this is going to be a sell down to KTR -1, but it didn't. And we all know that if the market is come down so strongly, but doesn't go to KTR -1, that means that the market is going to KTR +1. Okay, it's up to 90% probability. So when I saw the two diamonds here, immediately I draw my level in, and then I know that we can start to buy here already. We don't need to wait further. And of course, the first target was KTR +1, which we harvested some. And then after that, when the market stays above the pivot 1, right, very firmly, you can see the market go for KTR +2. So of course, eventually after a sideways tussle, it went for KTR +3. Wow, amazing. And after that, at KTR +3, it just basically stopped there. Just stopped there and then cascaded downwards already. So incredible, right? This is the thing. The KTR itself, the while it's calculated and the accuracy is amazing. You just need to know how to utilize it. You will be doing very well in your trading, okay? All right, so with that, we can just look at one more market to just take a look. Okay, this is the DAX market, very sideways at the moment right now, and it stays below pivot 2, right? So once it stays below pivot 2, below OP, right, no matter how, there will be selling pressure in the market. This is something that we always talk about, and of course, you can see what happen. The market really opens, try its best to stay up, but then once they have a diamond here, the market just keep on selling all the way until the rebound comes in. Okay, all right. This is the what happened on the DEX recently itself. Okay. All right, guys, that will be all for today's revision. I hope you enjoyed the session, and I want you guys to tell me more what we can do for you so that we can make the whole experience better. Yeah. All right. PM me on the site. It's Kel signing off. Take care. Thank you, Andrew. Bye bye.